Funding proposal, research proposal, project grant, funding agency. Very important, very essential. Every faculty member, every research scholar searching for this area. I collected some information from various websites sharing to you. Lot of agencies there to provide fund for our research. The thing is, what is the outcome of our research? Impact, benefit to the society. Second, really original research work. Third one, submitting the proposal on time. These three criteria needed for getting a research grant project fund. For science and technology, for engineering colleges, AICT, AICTE, All India Council of Technical Education, call for research proposal frequently. Log in this website. The grant for organizing conference. If you are organizing a national conference or international conference, AICT is offering sponsoring for your conference. This is the criteria. Second one, EDC, Entrepreneurship Development Cell. It is also for engineering colleges supporting by AICT. This one, Department of Biotechnology. Every scheme that I am sharing here call for this year, September, October month. We have enough time, sufficient time to apply for this. Department of Biotechnology facilitate, provide different varieties of fund for the science research scholar, science research project. Indian Council of Agricultural Research. The last date and the web link given here, the web address, website link address mentioned here. ICSSR, Indian Council of Social Science Research, project call for India-Japan Collaborative Research. DST, Department of Science and Technology, call for project proposal. In this website, you get the detailed application, guidelines, everything. National Science Foundation, NSF, call for research in the area of mathematics and biology. Economics and Social Research Council, anytime throughout the year we can apply. This is the website. State level in Tamil Nadu Science and Technology, TANSCST.nic.in. Call for research proposals every year. In Andhra, the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa Research Grant, there for Andhra faculties. Maharashtra, The Rajiv Gandhi Science and Technology Commission call for research proposal. Every proposal I mention in this video is right now call for, we can apply immediately. The website address given here, please log in, get the guidelines, download the application, fill the application. If you have any queries, please WhatsApp me, connect me in my blog. I am updating all the academic related informations I am upload in my blog. Please share this video to your friends. Subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.